Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle for Xbox Game Pass. Okay, let's start. From here, click on Settings, and on the left hand side go to Time and Language. Go to Language and Region, and from here you want to add a language, so add whatever preferred language that you want to use. And then for example, the language that you want to use, you click Move Up here, and then relaunch the game, well close the Xbox Game app completely, then relaunch it once again. Okay, now let's say that you want English audio with local language subtitles. Well, how do you do that? So temporarily change your system language to English, restart your PC, then download the language audio. Go to Xbox Game app, right click on this, go to Manage, go to Files, go to Browse. From here, go to Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, Content, Base, Sound, External Sources, PC. Okay, great. So you're gonna see the en_us. So copy this folder to a different location. Then go back and revert the system language settings to whatever language that you want to use. Then once you've done that, replace this file. And what this will do is the audio language will be English, but your local language will be in subtitles. And that is how you change the language.